Children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with word problems based on unitary method. Here is our sixth question. Rupees 750 supports a person for 15 days. For how many days will 2500 rupees support the same person? So there is a person and he is fulfilling all the needs. Support means he is fulfilling all his needs with rupees 750 for 15 days. He needs this amount for his daily needs. Fulfilling his daily support means such as food, groceries and whatnot for 15 days. And how many days will, but he is having 2500, then for how many days he can support himself, right? This is the question. So let's write the given data. First method is direct variation method. With this rupees 7500 he is able to support for 15 days, and with 2500 how many days he can support, right? So for this, for finding out how many days he can support, first we need to find the 1 day support. Here they have given us 15 days support. So firstly we are going to find out 1 day support. Always remember children, while using this direct variation you have to find for 1 day or one whatever, depending on the question, you have to find for unit first, right? For support for 1 day. Here you need to ask a question to yourself, more or less. For 1 day, does he need more money or less money? Just compare this with this statement. For 15 days he needs 750. For 1 day surely he will need less money, right? That means less. What is less? Less is nothing but division, right? If you got more, then you have to multiply. Here you got less, so you have to divide. Right? Here for some problems you need to multiply and some problems you need to divide. So depending on this more or less, you can easily choose which one to you can opt, right children? So when you divide it, you will get 50 rupees. That means for 1 day, if he has 50 rupees, he can support himself, right children? Now we got it for 1 day. Now we have to find out for how many days, right? We don't know the days itself. Then with this rupees, how can you multiply with the day and you will get the days, right children? So it is not possible. So we are going to assume this days has x. Let the days for rupees 2500 support will be x. Now see, he is having this much of money, right? 2500 money, and for how many days he will support? So for 2500 support is x into 50. That means x, what is x? Number of days into 50. That is for 1 day he is having 50 rupees, right? So number of days into per day will be 2500, right? Because he is having this much money, and with this money he can survive for how many? So that's what is x. That's what is x. So x, when you are multiplying this days with 50, that is per day, you will get how many days he can what's the money needed, right? So this is the equation that we got from the question itself, right children? Now we need to find the x value. So get this 50 to the other side, and when you cancel it, you will get 50 days. So with this 2500 he can survive for 50 days. Now the same problem you can do it in a inverse variation method. Just write down the top headings, that is rupees and days. Just write down the data which is given over there. 750 for 15 days and 2500 for how many days, right? Here now you need to draw the arrows. Here it is 750 and here it is 2500, so you can draw a downwards arrow, right? Here it is 15 days and here it is x, so you don't know how to draw a arrow, right? See here, 750 days, sorry, with 15 days he can survive for 750 days. Sorry children, for 15 days he can survive with this 750, but he is having 2500, so surely he can survive for more days, he can support himself for more days. So this number will be greater than 15, right? So this number will be higher number. So you can draw an arrow in the downward direction, right? Okay, since both the arrows are in downward direction, you have to inverse both of them. Then you will get this. Right, children? I have taught you in many exercises, so I'm not going to explain you in detailed way. If you missed it, I have given the link in the description box. Check it over there. Now just do the cross multiplication and keep the x as it is and get this 750 to the other side. It becomes division because you are getting this 750 to the other side of this equal to. Right, whenever you're getting other side of the equal to, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. Now just do the cancellation and you will get x is equal to 50. That means the number of days he can support himself with 2500 is 50 days. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button, and even share this video with your friends. Check the description box for more problems on unitary method. Thanks for watching.